Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix G-Sync flickering, stuttering, and lagging for good. First, make sure you have a G-Sync compatible NVIDIA GPU and monitor. Also, have the latest NVIDIA drivers installed on your PC. You need to have NVIDIA control panel access for display settings. Make sure your system setup is stable and without faulty cables or adapters. Now open NVIDIA Control Panel and go to Display. Then click on Setup G-Sync and ensure it's enabled for full screen or windowed and full screen if needed. Then in Manage 3D Settings, turn on V-Sync and set monitor technology to G-Sync compatible. Next, cap your FPS just below your monitor's refresh rate using in-game settings or RTSS. Here, use a certified DisplayPort cable to prevent signal issues. After that, remember running uncapped FPS may cause flickering even with G-Sync on. Some games work better with G-Sync disabled in windowed mode. Then, keep Windows Game Mode enabled but disable background recording. Finally, regularly update drivers and firmware for both GPU and monitor. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.